Hello everyone. Welcome to Ava Talks Crypto. I'm your host, Ava, and I'll be delivering all the hottest and latest news happening around the crypto space. For today's top stories: crypto community jubilant over Grayscale decision. However, uncertainty over crypto market remains. Bitcoin rallies after US Court of Appeals rules in favor of Grayscale. X obtains license to store, transfer, and trade Bitcoin and other crypto as it moves closer to crypto payments. SEBA Bank secures in principle nod for crypto services in Hong Kong. For our first-time viewers, Ava Talks Crypto is a YouTube channel dedicated to delivering all the latest and hottest news that affects the crypto space. We also upload daily market report videos for traders and investors to have a closer look at Bitcoin's daily market performances and deeper insight on what affects its price. Before we begin, please support what we do by giving this video a like and subscribing to our channel. Make sure you don't miss out on important events by hitting that bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You can also share our videos with your friends who you think may also be interested in the topics we discuss. Lastly, we want to hear from you. So, don't forget to leave a comment below. Now let's go ahead and discuss the headlines. To kick things off, we have the crypto community becoming jubilant over the Grayscale decision. However, uncertainty over the crypto market remains. The court's current decision that the SEC has to consider Grayscale's spot ETF application is good news for the crypto industry. However, it still left many wondering if this may not be as impactful as the pro-crypto community hoped. The District of Columbia Circuit Court of Appeals ruled in favor of Grayscale Investments' application for a spot Bitcoin ETF. According to the decision, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's rejection of the application was overturned. According to Cineon Ventures founder Adam Cochran in an X post, the court decision was a slaughterfest of the SEC arguments. Influencer Miles Deutscher also chimed in, stating that this changes everything and that it's time for people to pay attention again. However, the initial enthusiasm was tempered when it was revealed that the decision was limited in scope. The SEC also has options for its next steps. Soon after the court decision was made, Grayscale released a statement in which Chief Legal Officer Craig Salm stated that the company appreciated that the D.C. Circuit's opinion acknowledged that this case presented a straightforward question about equal treatment under the law. Crypto lawyer John Deaton asked if SEC Chair Gary Gensler would graciously accept defeat or talk about how the three judges presiding over the hearing got it wrong. Right now, Gary Gensler and his team are discussing how this can be made into a political win. Blockchain Association Chief Policy Officer Jake Chervinsky stated that there's a possibility that the SEC would accept defeat and called this strategy a face-saving narrative and the right move after a huge embarrassment. Chervinsky also noted that Grayscale's victory over the SEC was a massive one. He added that it's very rare for a federal circuit court to find that an agency has violated the APA by acting arbitrarily and capriciously. Others were less optimistic about the court's decision. According to Delphi Labs General Counsel Gabriel Shapiro, every time that the SEC loses in court, they just shamelessly say that the judge got it wrong and pursue more shenanigans. Zero Knowledge Consulting managing partner Austin Campbell added that these shenanigans can be costly for many companies, and fighting back is incredibly expensive. Even if companies win, they'll be bankrupt when they do, and he described the SEC's action as gangster behavior. In related news, Bitcoin rallies after the court's decision favoring Grayscale Investments. The price of Bitcoin experienced a surge after the U.S. Court of Appeals for the D.C. Circuit ruled that the SEC was wrong to deny the crypto investment giant, Grayscale, permission to convert its popular Bitcoin trust into an ETF. Bitcoin was seen jumping 7.15% following the ruling and trading at $27,851.82, surpassing the resistance level set at $26,500. The decision also caused a domino effect where other cryptocurrencies jumped in price. Investors and other industry participants have been closely following the Grayscale lawsuit against the SEC. The case is seen as a key catalyst that would shake up the market, which is currently marred by low volatility and liquidity. Earlier this month, BTC's trading volatility fell to its lowest level in more than 4 years as investors have been waiting on the sidelines for more regulatory clarity on crypto activity in the US. Several Bitcoin futures ETFs have already been approved in the US. The latest ruling may also increase the chances that the SEC will approve other Bitcoin ETF applications from other investment giants, such as BlackRock, Fidelity, WisdomTree, VanEck, Invesco, and others. A US Bitcoin ETF would provide a way to get exposure to Bitcoin without having to hold it. This would invite retail and institutional investors, as well as wealth managers, into the crypto market. The SEC stated that it's reviewing the court's decision to determine the next steps. Galaxy's global head of asset management, Steve Kurtz, stated that the court's decision reaffirms that a Bitcoin ETF in the US is a matter of when, not if. He added that in order for digital assets to continue to flourish, they must be accessible to all types of investors. The ruling comes as a relief to many participating in the crypto market. Recently, the crypto community has been frustrated by the SEC, particularly under Chair Gary Gensler, who insisted on regulating through enforcement. Aside from Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies jumping in price, Grayscale Bitcoin Trust also jumped 16.95%. In other news, Elon Musk's X moves closer to crypto payments after acquiring a new state license. According to reports, regulators in Rhode Island have approved X's application for a currency transmitter license. This marks a step forward for the company to enter the financial services sector. The license is legally required for companies to conduct financial activities on behalf of users related to sending and receiving money. This definition applies to both fiat and crypto assets. With this approval, X has permission to custody, transfer, and exchange digital currencies. X's Rhode Island currency transmitter license was approved on August 28. Elon Musk has been pushing for X to be an everything app, and the new license marks an important step forward in realizing this dream. While sources have stated that the upcoming payments feature for X will only support fiat currencies, reports say that Musk has instructed developers at X to build the platform's payment system in a way that it could support crypto functionality in the future. The approval comes nearly 2 months after X secured money transmitter licenses in Missouri, Michigan, and New Hampshire, which were all approved on July 5. The latest license from Rhode Island marks a total of 7 American states where X has secured transmitter licenses. However, it remains unclear exactly what financial offerings will be made available if and when X rolls out its planned payment features. For those familiar with the company's plans, reports say that X will initially offer fiat currency transaction services similar to PayPal, which Musk co-founded. However, sources say that the transaction services will have room for future crypto integration. To wrap things up, we have SEBA Bank getting in-principle approval for crypto services in Hong Kong. With this new development, SEBA Hong Kong's approval joins a flurry of regulated crypto activity that's taken place over the past month in Hong Kong. SEBA Bank is a known crypto-friendly Swiss bank. With the in-principle nod from the Hong Kong Securities and Futures Commission, it's now allowed to deal in virtual assets, which will include over-the-counter derivatives, advise on virtual assets, and conduct asset management for discretionary accounts in virtual assets. Amy Yu, CEO of SEBA Hong Kong, stated that Hong Kong provides enormous potential due to the region's regulatory authority, the virtual asset regulatory framework, and the city's legal system. She added that while China has an ongoing ban on crypto trading, Hong Kong is well positioned to tap into the Chinese market if and when it opens up. Hong Kong is a special administrative region of China, and it's also close to the mainland, which makes the city an ideal location to serve mainland China's residents and citizens. In Switzerland, SEBA Bank offers both traditional and crypto services, such as staking, trading, lending, and custody. SEBA's in-principle approval comes amid a flurry of regulated crypto activity in Hong Kong. Crypto market experts are touting Hong Kong for its progressive stance on cryptocurrencies. It's completely in contrast with what's going on in the United States, which is pushing many US-based crypto firms to make the move to Hong Kong and other countries in the region with a positive outlook for cryptocurrencies. SEBA Bank is only one of the increasing numbers of financial institutions that are getting approval to deal with virtual assets. These are all the latest news stories we have for you today. Before you go, don't forget to check out our daily market report videos to get a better look at Bitcoin's performance in the crypto market. Again, this is Ava from Ava Talks Crypto. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.